Today we will be installing a Puig windshield on a Kawasaki Vulcan S. Now this is pretty straightforward. It should take you under 2 minutes. First thing you're going to do is remove the 2 bolts on the front forks using a 6mm. And you'll take your windshield and take those 2 bolts and put them directly back through the brackets into the front forks. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Like and subscribe if you dig my content. Take care and ride safe.
Try